Check it out. Peep my Torah two-step, perfected swag from my teachers. People who ain't in the game is heckling from the bleachers. Check it out, I know Moses teaching procedures. I crossed the sheet on dry shard, but still couldn't avoid these leeches. I'm Malachite type. I got the right to snipe on sight without a meeting. They're like the cats that attacked from the back when we was leaving Egypt region. I ain't dismayed by the signs of seasons, cause I'm in line with the divine and inclined to the reasons to establish my sign that my tribe beastin'. To show that we live in the vibe Easter. Walking like Abraham with a Jacob limb, something like a pimp. CeeLo for out on trips, but I bet I fall better than all of them. See the law ethics perfected, more practice and methodology. Follow me, Wallaby Clark stepping. Reppin' ZZ Vessin, finessing hard lessons. Dwelling in oppression, professing God's blessings. See, that's the fight of the devil and I. They run and saying we don't do it right. We tried to bring the blind to the light. Why? Cause I'm a Israelite.